In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Hubspot for 2023. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively manage your contacts. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to HubSpot's homepage. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the official HubSpot website. This is your main hub for all things related to the platform, and it's where you'll kick off the contact import process. Once you reach the homepage, find and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Ensure you have your login details handy, otherwise you might need to reset your password. Signing in is a crucial step to accessing your personalized HubSpot dashboard, where all your business tools reside. After signing in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. From here, locate the CRM option. HubSpot's CRM is the core component for managing your customer relationships and is the place we'll head to set up your contact imports. Once inside the CRM, look for and click on the Contacts option. This section is dedicated to managing your existing contacts and adding new ones. Here you'll find a range of features that help you organize and maintain your contact list efficiently. With the contacts page open, your next step is to click on the Import button. This option allows you to bring in your contacts from various sources, so they are stored and managed within HubSpot's ecosystem. Importing is a powerful feature, especially if you have a large database of contacts that you've been managing with other tools or spreadsheets. By now you are in the import wizard, which is where the real magic happens. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts carefully. HubSpot's import wizard is intuitive, helping you map your existing contact data to the fields HubSpot recognizes, like names, email addresses, and phone numbers. This process is critical for ensuring that your data is accurately transferred and organized. As you work through the wizard, keep in mind the importance of checking the accuracy of your data before completing the import. This is your chance to review and correct any mismatches or errors. HubSpot provides guidance along the way to help you make the right selections and modifications, so take your time and be meticulous. Upon finalizing the import, you'll see your newly imported contacts within the HubSpot interface. Congratulations, you've successfully brought your contact list into HubSpot. Now you can leverage all the CRM features to engage with your contacts more effectively. That wraps up our tutorial on importing contacts into HubSpot for 2023. Be sure to explore more of HubSpot's features to maximize your CRM's potential. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more expert insights and guides.